Hello everyone, this is Nhật from Server Automation and Global Technical Support. The agenda today is to discuss how to check whether a rollup has been properly installed on a slide or a satellite. First, let's define what is a rollup. Rollups is what we call the updates for server automations. Many first-time users tend to confuse this term with the patch that is created for OS, the OS update that SA deploy to target server. SA rollups have fixed the vulnerabilities as well as the defects that might affect SA performance. And if you click on this URL that I shared here, you can download the rollups. So if you access the URL I provide in the previous slides and navigate to the section for server automation, you will see there are three types of rollups. I will introduce them in the order which we normally apply to SA server. First is the media patch. Create to prevent any failure when user first deploy SA on a server. If this is the first time you deploy SA, I personally recommend that you should apply this rollup first, this patch first. The second one is the cumulative rollups. I'm using the term cumulative because you only need to install the latest rollup release, and it will include all the fixes from the previous version. It will have the format date, the format year and month, and the number ID here. The third one is the agent rollups. It will include the agent installation binary for each OS platform. Though it is not a prerequisite, it is highly recommended that you should have the latest software tools installed. The package can be installed using this URL. This tool will help SA user to collect logs and would include many useful tools to troubleshoot SA issued in general, and it is recommended that you install the tools in all slides and satellite. And here it is. This is the command that should be used to check the latest rollups. Here is the output, the expected output when you paste command on the SA terminal. As you can see here, this is the 001, 002, and this is the fix that will be included with the rollups. There are three important reminders which I would like to share. First, that before applying any rollups, make sure that you carefully review the patch.sh.txt file. This is the instruction file to install the rollup. It will include the necessary steps and command to install rollup. The file can be found inside the rollup's binaries. For each type of SA infrastructure, it will have a different sequence. For example, it will be much simpler to apply the rollups in a single core environment compared to a mesh with multiple cores. The second reminders, this is very important. This is actually the reason why I create these presentations. I want to tell everyone that users should not rely entirely on the output of the ls patch command to verify the rollups installation result. This is because even if you incorrectly apply the command sequence when you install rollups, there is a chance that the ls patch command will still return the output of the rollups ID. It's best that you review the logs inside this directory var logs opsware hotfix to make sure that the rollups is properly installed. In the screenshot below, since this is a freshly installed 2022.11, I only install the rollups especially for it. If this server was previously upgraded from the previous version of SA, you will see the other version in this directory as well. And if you change the directory inside the actual version, you will find the rollup installation logs located here. This is the log that I mentioned above. You should carefully review these logs to make sure that there is no error returned when you try to install the rollups. And this concludes the presentations. Thank you for watching.